Welcome back to Princess Beauty TV. I am back with another TTDEYE contact lens review. So the color I'm going to be doing today, let's see exactly, let me just pick up one. Trinity Gray, okay? Trinity Gray. Okay, here is the packing. Comes with the case, and it also has like little tweezers in it. I guess you can use that to take the contacts out your eye. I guess that's what that's for, and I guess that's to put it in there. I'm not quite sure, but I definitely got my technique down pack of how I do it. I've been wearing them for quite some time, so I'm definitely an expert at putting contact lenses in. For sure. Okay. Can you all see that? Alright. I will be back with one of them in my eye. Okay? So we can definitely compare and see how well it covers my beautiful dark brown. How well it covers my beautiful dark brown eyes. Okay? Cut. I said cut. Okay, I will be back. So we'll see how well this beautiful gray color covers my dark brown eye. Okay, I am back with this beautiful gray color in my eyes. Okay, I absolutely love it. Okay, and they're really comfortable. I like them. Yes, I do. At first, when I tried on these contacts, they were a little uncomfortable, but my eyes got used to it after a while. It didn't take too long, you know, because I never tried anything different besides from the Fresh Look contact color blends. Okay, but these are very comfortable now, and I really like them. Okay, so I will be back with the other one in my eye, so please stay tuned, and also be sure to smash that subscribe button while you're at it. Thank you. Okay, I have the other one in my eye. Okay, and I absolutely am in love with this beautiful gray color. Trinity Gray, honey. That's the name of it again. Trinity Gray. It seems like it has a little brownish in the center part, which makes it look really nice and natural. Okay. Love it. All right. Well, I don't have anything else to say about these gorgeous contacts, but just go and get you a pair if you are feeling these the way they look right here, if you have dark brown eyes. Okay, so thank you so much for watching Princess Beauty TV. Please be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share, okay, this video with others. All right, well, I will definitely see you all in the next video. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.